Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. Right guys, so we are starting out with Nifty. Today was a very good recovery in the market. Gap down, but it recovered like crazy today. It did not sustain in our level, so we did not short it and we did not have any opportunity. We already planned this yesterday that only if it breaches above 21,825 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy it. It did breach here, but I did not enter because it was market closing time, so I did not enter. After that, momentum might reverse, so I did not enter it. But tomorrow my plan I'll show you very clearly. If market gaps up or gap down or opens flat, okay, if it gaps down, I'll wait for it to breach this level again and I'll be entering it. So my target is still the same. 22,040 is the target. My entry level is also the same. 21,840 and above is the target. Okay, so that's it for Nifty. I'm not looking forward to any sell, but this trend line really played out really well. If you guys see, it has played out well. Some people would have drawn trend line here, doesn't make sense because no retest. This is how it works. Okay, this is how it actually works. Okay, market should breach and retest. See, breach, retest, up. So this is how trend line should be drawn. I will make a dedicated video on trend lines, on how to properly identify and draw it. That will be launching out shortly. You can definitely look forward to it. Next is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, our levels did come, so we did enter here. I entered at 45,820, and my stop loss was little bit lower. That is a 150 point of stop loss I had. It was a big stop loss, I know, but I had 150 point of stop loss. This is how the trade looks. I thought it was about to hit the stop loss, but I did not give up. But tomorrow most probably it might hit it. So here if we see, there is an immediate resistance here. That is the reason it turned. Okay, so on Bank Nifty, I will be this position is what I'll be holding. If it hits my stop loss, I'm totally fine. I'll be booking my loss, or if it gaps up and goes 1:2 also, I'll book my profit. I'll be adding new position only post 46,155 and above. Okay, 46,155 and above. Here is where I'll be adding new position. That is 46,155 and above is where I'll be adding new position, and for that my target will be at 46,820. Okay, I'm not looking forward to sell because if you guys see, this is a proper trend line breakout, guys. This breakout failed, again breakout, so this means the buyers are still active here. Even though the US market and other markets are kind of falling, see, there is correction. Okay, market crash, market fail happens very extremely rare. You can't be always waiting for it, but correction happens very often. After a rally, always correction happens, so you can capture it, but capturing the top and the bottom is a very tough thing in market, so don't try to do that. Try to capture your proper profits, entry, exits, just trade your plan, everything will be fine. Okay, so in Bank Nifty, 46,145 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy it. I'm not selling anytime soon. Next is US oil. US oil, we just hit a stop loss and I just booked my profit in this. It was a 1:2.76 trade, which is really good. There is a more potential for it to go up. So now where I'll be buying, be very clear. If it crosses $79 and above, I will be looking forward to buy. Stop loss will be 50 points. We have a very good momentum for the upper side because it started going up, guys. From here it can come down, then it go up. But what we can do is we can definitely buy this and hold it till $89 too. See, it's a slow up, always go slow, so I'll be buying only post $78.90 and above. Okay, I'm bullish about this. Let's see how this works. Next is gold. I'm still waiting for it to hit my target. Once it hits my target, I'll be booking my profit. Now we're at 1:2, I guess. Yeah, now we're at 1:2. So I'm waiting for it to hit my target. Once my target is hit, I'll be very happy. I'll be adding more position to it. Only post 1,975 and below. I'll be looking forward to add more positions. Okay, and we have 4 stocks for swing trading. Coal India, I think we discussed this even yesterday. I've taken new trades on that. Yeah, I have entered again, added position in Coal India. So first one is Sharda Motors Industries. If you guys see, it's a very good uptrend. It's a sharp uptrend. This was the recent resistance which was broken. Now it's up. So if I get a price of 148980 to 1545, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be below this resistance. Okay, next is Dilip. Dilip is also the same. After this triangle pattern, just give it a breakout. This is the resistance. Resistance had been breached. I'm looking forward for the price for a pullback. Okay, once I see a pullback, I'll be entering it, giving my stop loss like this. So if I get a price of 435 to 450, I'll be buying this, and my stop loss will be at 422. Next is Geo. Geo Finance looks good for me on 4-hour time frame and daily time frame. After this break, it's down. So this was its all-time high. This was his recent all-time high, and this is the recent all-time high. Now there is 2nd of Feb, this candle we saw. Now it's consolidating here. Keep this in your radar, which is good. Reliance is performing really well, and Geo is also going to perform well because of that. So if this will be a stock in my portfolio, okay, tomorrow will I trade this or not, I don't know. But if I see a candle above all these 4 candles, that is above this box, if I see it, I'll be buying it. So the price should be above this, that is 280 and above the price should be. I'll be looking forward to buy it. And Coal India, guys, I've entered here. I've added a good amount of quantity in Coal India. That is reason behind the trade is, if you guys see, it's a pole and flag pattern. This is a pole, there's a there's a pole and there's a flag. Okay, pole and flag has been breached, retested, gone up. So we have entered exactly here. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys got something to learn in this video. This is just my plans on my how I'm going to trade. Okay, this is not a tip or a recommendation. This is just my plan and entry, exits, and whatever the stocks I'm looking forward to trade. Okay, thank you so much. If you like my content, please like, share, and subscribe. Your support will be definitely appreciated. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.